Hi guys, and in this tutorial is just how to create a multiplication timetable in Python. So I'm going to first of all start by declaring the following variable. I'm going to say q, that will be equals, enter. We want it to enter a value, and the value we're going to enter is an integer. So I'm going to say inputs. So it's taking in the value inputs. The input is going to be enter a number to multiply. Put a comma there and close that up, double bracket because I have two brackets open here, double bracket to close it up. Then I will then use a for loop for I in the range. I'm going to say I in the range of 1 comma to 13. So that should generate 1 to 12. Okay, make sure you enter the column in there. Then press enter, come right here and just say print, and you want it to print the results in string characters. So I'm going to enter I right there. So it will generate 1 to 12 for me. Plus, I want to enter the multiplication symbol. Or if you want to, you can just put a star. You can put an X or a star. So, plus, I'm going to enter string for the queue. The queue has whatever you enter. Then finally, I'm just going to now display the result out here. So we say plus equals I multiplied by Q. There we go. That is it. And close that up. There. You just create your multiplication timetable. Let's save that. And I'm going to run it. And let's see what we've done so far. So click on run. Now the system is asking you to enter whatever in the number. There we go. That's 8 times table. Close that. Run it again. Let's say 12 times table. Yeah. And that's how you create your own multiplication timetable in Python, guys. So I'm just going to say bye for now. See you guys later with short tutorials.